On sentence overall, Mr. Godfrey submits there has been remorse and sorrow expressed by you. He submits that from early on you've accepted the baby died as a result of something you did. He submits in your case that your remorse is genuine. Well, I have already made my observations on that topic already. Sentence. On gross negligence manslaughter, in your case, Mark Gordon, there will be an extended sentence of imprisonment amounting to 18 years, with a custodial term of 14 years and an extension period of 4 years. In my judgment, Gordon, in your case, the dangerousness test is met. I've given consideration to the provisions of Section 285 of the Sentencing Act 2020 and whether the seriousness of the offence or one or more of the other offences associated with it was such as to justify the imposition of a sentence of imprisonment for life. However, I do not find it to be. There will be the extended sentence that I've passed upon you. Martin, in your case, as the dangerousness test is not met, there will be a determinate sentence, a sentence of 14 years imprisonment. In your case, I've given consideration as to whether the custodial sentence should be of the same length as that passed in respect of Mark Gordon or not. Having reflected on the issue, I am of the view that the custodial terms should be of the same length. The issues around future risks have led me to the conclusion that Mark Gordon should be the subject of an extended sentence, and there is therefore that distinction between the two of you. On count 1, concealing the birth, the sentence in each of your cases are ones of 18 months imprisonment. Count 2, child neglect, the sentence in each of your cases again ones of 18 months imprisonment. On count 5, perverting the course of public justice, the sentence in each of your cases are ones of 5 years imprisonment. The sentences on counts 1, 2 and 5 are to be concurrent to each other and concurrent to the sentences on count 4. Gordon, in your case, what that means is it's likely you will serve 2/3 of that custodial term that I've imposed. If released at the end of that custodial term or at the 2/3 point, you will be on licence until the expiry of the extended period of licence in your case. Martin, in your case, you will serve 2/3 of the sentence I've imposed and then be released on licence. Released on licence, you are subject to the terms of that until the expiry of the custodial term. As the statutory surcharge clearly applies here, the appropriate orders can be drawn up. Before I leave this case, this was clearly a difficult and painstaking investigation for which many police officers were involved. I express my sincere thanks to all of those involved.